that, guys. They're just teeming with excitement for me, huh? Oh, wait. I'll get the star power. How's it going, everybody? Lovely day we're having. It's raining again, and... Oh, what's this? Alright. Alright, let's play. Oh boy. It's gonna be one of these levels, huh? Dang. That's a bummer. I'm not gonna do that. Ooh. Ah, okay. Let's try it again. Let's try this again. Ah. Shit. That one damn bird. Okay, I have a better idea. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. And see if there's anything higher than that. Let's see. If so, that'd be great. Wow. Sons of guns. Woo. Honestly, that was just freaking scary. I am not going down there. No one's gonna make me, Sam. I am. Okay. Now I'm going to go for this one here. I hope the shortcut's real. If not, well, that's a pain.
Thank you.
I tell you guys, I would dig to play this on the piano. It's like raggy in a way. It's so cheerful, man. I'm telling you. Oh.
Yay!
Did I make it? Oh, there was no shortcut up there? It was a lie. It was a lie. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, I learned my lesson. I learned it. Nothing there. At least I tried. At least I tried. Is there a song that gives you motivation every day? Oh! That was a close one. I wonder if I can pick up a bird. I wonder if I could pick up a bird, and I don't want to find out. Mid-flight. Gee. Okay, nice, nice. I'm telling you, that's gonna freaking drive me crazy. That was a whole level, man. They sure know how to give a guy a heart attack with that one. Okay, wait. Uh-huh. I would like to end it this way.
Oh, that's delicious.
You lucky bastard. Wait a second. Oh, shit. Did I really just make... Fuck it. Son of a gun. Get out of here. Okay. Oh, gosh. I'm battling this guy with... one life, guys. Oh, wow. It's not... This scroller is like freaking broken. I'm gonna throw this at her face.
I'm ready for
Yes, you are. Suck it, girl. Oh, shit. At least she's not firing eggs for that one advantage. I could just... At least she's not like shooting it like a machine gun. Ooh. She's still good. She ain't playing easy. I noticed that there's only like Suck it, girl. Serve me some cookies. Okay, that was very wrong. Wait, what's this? Yeah. Woo! You saw that, guys? Epicness.
Bravo.
That was very wrong of me to say. Serve me cookies. Alright. Let's see what's the next one. Let's see what's the next one. Alright, see you guys in the next episode. Like and subscribe, or stay tuned. And if you don't like it, show it to me via clicking the like button. As in, click literally the like, don't click dislike. Come on, please, please.